Hey guys, so this is an unboxing for BoxyLuxe. You guys do see me using my pharmacy products. I am a pharmacy influencer, but I am obsessed with makeup. So every 3 months, BoxyCharm brings out a box of amazing stuff. This is $50 every 3 months if anyone is interested in getting their BoxyCharm boxes. I do have a code for that, which I will be posting in the comments. So this is what it looks, well, yeah, kind of looks like. We have our card, and it is bubbles and glitz this month, and also the prices of the card. So the first thing that is popping up right here are earrings. This was my choice item. Unfortunately, this is not what I wanted, but yeah, it's made in China. The earrings, they retail for, hey Paige, they retail for $36. I'm not going to keep these. I'll probably just pass them down to someone else. If anyone wants them, I mean, by all means, I will give them to you. They're like these cute little studs, so I'm not going to keep it though. I'm not going to keep it. But the rest of the box, I'm really excited for, because this is the stuff I wanted. I have no idea what this first item is. This is Reza. Ooh. Well, this is for hair. Paige, if you want them, you can have them. Seriously. You don't even have to pay for them. You can have them. I was actually just going to post them on Poshmark and see if anyone would want to buy them. But I don't care. I want to just get rid of them. Alright, so this is called Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In Conditioner. Okay. I'll take them over to my parents' house today because I go to work at 2:30, and I'll just give them to my dad or my mom, and they will bring them to your parents' house. This is Love My Leave-In. This is for all hair types. So I think this is like a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. It says Love My Leave-In. So, it's a infused shield. So this is what and it's really full. This product values for $22. This live is going to be more of an unboxing. I will be doing try-ons a lot this weekend and all that stuff. So, I was really hoping to get this. This is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans all-in-one LASIK acid treatment. So it's pretty much for skincare. This product values for $85. I don't know if I want to. Alright, that's a little bit better. So this is the Good Jeans Sunday Riley. It's deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discolorations. Instantly plumps the look of the fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. So I'm excited to try this too. But this value is for $85. Alright. I've actually gotten a couple of items from this brand through BoxyCharm, and this lip product is actually really amazing. It is actually the Sol de Janeiro is a Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. I actually have this, and it smells like, it does smell like butter. It smells really good. I've used my this product. I think it's upstairs. But I would totally recommend getting this. And you see a lot of this in our BoxyCharm boxes. This value is for $20. Alright. This is eye mask. This looks like it's used, or not used, but old. I don't know. So this is Symbiosis London. It's an eye mask, tightening and replenishment eye mask. So it's a small little test tubey thing. So, and the value of this is also, my God, this little tube thing right here is $93. This value is for $93. I'm so glad that I did not pay for it, because I only pay every 3 months for BoxyCharm for $50. So yeah, that's insane. Alright, so my next item is a brush set. This looks so fancy. Look at that. So, oh. Smells like paint. People are right. Okay, so you get a whole brush set. This is, I think, Luxe. I believe it's Luxe. Yeah, Luxe glitter and gold brush set. So this values for $85. I'm really excited to try some of these. Like, it has your contour brush, your foundation brush. I don't know what this brush is, but it has like blending brushes and your eyebrow brush. Yeah, I'm excited. There's gonna be so many try-ons, it's not even funny. Alright, so my next item is the Hip Dot palette. And look at these colors. I love eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with the eyeshadow products. So I'm excited to get this. It has the little thing right here. Exciting. Love it. Ooh, they're nice and soft. Even the mattes. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, even that one. Alright. Sorry, I have a long, I'm freezing. I have a long sleeve shirt and everything on. Alright, so here are the colors. Even the matte is like really pigmented too. I'm excited to try this. Let's see if this works. Nope, it does not. But yeah, look at that. Maybe if I put it behind my camera or my phone, maybe that will work. Who knows? Oh. Alright. No, that does not work either. Alright, but yeah, here are the colors. You can kind of see them right now, but it is super pretty. I'm excited to try this too. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. I have a lot of content to post, and it's insane. So the Hip Dot palette is valued for $30. Alright, my next one, this is my last item. through BoxyLuxe. I should be getting my Boxy Premium very soon too, either today or tomorrow. If it's today, it'll probably be whenever I'm at work. So this is the Iconic London face palette, and it has like highlight and blush and bronzer. So the Iconic London, it's called Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So this is what it looks like. Let me see. Okay, so I'll have to use this hand real quick. They're nice and, like, I wouldn't say like butter soft, but they are really nice. Alright, let me see if you guys can see that. I mean, not really, but you can kind of see the shimmers and stuff. I did the top 3, and it does have some really good pigmentation, so I'm really excited to try this out too. There's gonna, oh man, I'm so excited. There's so many like try-ons and like try-ons and unboxings. I have Friday should be my Glow Addict Box XL coming out. I will have my 3rd box coming sometime this week. Yeah, my 3rd box of Pharmacy coming this week, and I should have my Boxy Premium coming. And then I have a 4th Pharmacy box that's also coming as well. And so exciting. I love unboxings. It's insane. And not only that, I love my try-ons and all that stuff. So if you guys like to see more unboxings of subscription boxes or pharmacy products, I will definitely go and do those as well. Oh, I didn't put... I think I have some leftover eyeshadow on my fingers, so I kind of got that. I also have some extra pharmacy products as well. If anyone is interested in checking that stuff out, let me know. I have our nude lip glosses, our new eyeshadow palettes, and also our 24 Gold Glam palette. This is an exclusive product as well, and the pigmentation is freaking amazing. I love this palette. Let's see what else. I'm going to do a skincare video on our new pharmacy skincare items. So if anyone is interested in checking that out, it's going to be posted this weekend. So, or it's going to be live this weekend. So go and check that out as well. I'm planning on a giveaway as well. I don't know what I'm going to do and when, or how I'm going to all infiltrate that or execute it. But I will let you guys know. Just make sure that you watch out for the updates for that, okay? And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.